All right, we're going. We're live.
Are we live now? Okay, here it is. This is how you will find it with that bag on top
Yes.
of it. Roll it out part way to here. Then you see this push to unlock.
Yes.
You push this and lift the handle.
Okay.
And you take it all the way back.
All the way.
All the way back.
Okay.
Then you extend the handle.
Yes.
All the way out.
Right.
All the way out or it won't work.
Yes.
Then you lock these two clamps in place.
Yes.
Then you put the battery in to
Yes.
the nuclear chamber.
Excellent.
So it
Firmly
clamps in place.
click. Okay.
Shut the radiation containment. Now you take it out to the lawn, and when you want to start it,
Yes.
you push this down and hold it for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then without touching these buttons, you pull the...
Okay.
You need to hold this to keep the blade going.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now, if you want help going up hills or around corners, you can use these devices.
That's the assist. Okay.
That's the assist, and it's on
Oh,
kind of high right
yeah.
now. To make it less assisted, turn it
Okay.
down like that.
Okay.
Then it just goes a little bit.
Okay.
That's all there is to it.
What about the bag? Is that?
Oh, I'm sorry. It is necessary to have the bag. This goes on by having this handle up.
Yep.
You lift this flap up.
Yes.
You'll see 2 places where you can
Yes.
hook these 2 hooks
Okay.
on. Like
I see.
that.
Boom.
And that's all there is to it.
Okay. Easy.
Typically, the front lawn fills this once, the back lawn fills this once. And I dump the grass into the compost bin
Compost.
or into a brown paper
Yeah.
compost bag.
You guys
Okay.
are welcome to take this and test it on your lawn. It'll fold up and fit in your car so you can use it.
I'm gonna try to get Matt to do that. All right.
Seriously, it really cuts